Notebook LM is one of the most useful tool to learn the things in a much better way. So let's say you have a YouTube tutorial or anything like notebooks or PDFs or anything. You can simply upload it and you can get a lot of insights out of it. So let's say you have a short span of time. Within that short span of time, you have to learn something. What is the best way to learn? So I think this is one of the best way to learn. So simply, I'll show you one practical example. I want to learn this Langgraph tutorial completely. It's a YouTube video, so which has more than 3.5 hours or 4 hours. So yeah, more than 3 hours. And what I do, so I just copied the link and I just paste it here, and it gives me the summary. So the best part is it will give you the mind maps. Mind maps means you can see this that entire video. Uh, it was breaken that into kind of a chapters, and so kind of a visualization, so kind of flow. So in that way I can simply understand, okay, these are the topics, these are the main content, kind of mind map kind of thing. So it is extremely useful in our exams preparation time, and other things like we used to do like this, right? So noting down the main key points, so that in that way we can frame the things, we can frame the answers and everything. So in the same way, so within this, right, so you can learn many stuff. So even though the content of the tutorial is more than 3 hours, still I can get this thing within a short span of time. So this is one of the best way to learn. And apart from that, you will get the podcast. There are many other features also. You can simply upload it, it will give you podcast and other stuffs. Yeah.